Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the X2.0 token. So we had the X token come out, well we had X.com come out, obviously very popular, trending in the news. The Twitter name being changed to X, then we had all these X tokens come out. It's 2.0 meme season, so now it is X 2.0, and this token just had a very big pre-sale. They set their soft cap pretty low at 25 BNB, so this is a Binance Smart Chain token, and they ended up selling 819.65 BNB worth of tokens for a very gigantic pre-sale. So the pre-sale is over, but we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it now that the pre-sale is done in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So it says potential 1,000 times. If you missed the original X run, this is your second chance to get in X 2.0. 10K starting market cap with a low 3 tax, 25 hard cap, pink sale contract, Telegram and Twitter marketing, dedicated team, no private sale, no airdrops, 100% empowered by the community. So name of the token is X and then a space 2.0. And ticker symbol is just X2, all one word. 18 decimal places on this token. It says total supply 100,000 tokens times 2. Now that might be the, or no, sorry, that's the X, that's the ticker symbol, I guess, that they threw in there. It looks like it says times 2. But yeah, well, it looks like 100,000 total tokens. Then we have their token metrics pie chart on here. Says 65% of them go to pre-sale, 31.23% go to liquidity, 1.3% of the tokens are unlocked, and 2.46% of the tokens get burnt. So yeah, they sold over 819 BNB worth of tokens in their pre-sale, so they did very well. They have a quick audit in the description section on Pink Sale, and they have a quick audit by Cyberscope, and there's no bad warnings on it whatsoever. It's just all good check marks. It says owner cannot set fees over 25%. It says owner cannot set max transaction amount. Owner cannot mint new tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot blacklist wallets and cannot pause trading as well. So they had a public pre-sale. 367 different people invested in this project here. And besides that, they have tons of socials available on Pink Sale and on their webpage. Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, GitHub, Instagram, Reddit, Discord, all available on their webpage there. Now, if you head to their webpage, it is X and then 2token.site. And it says, welcome to the X 2.0 token. After the inaugural of X by Elon Musk, Binance Smart Chain has come back with X 2.0. Our team's aspiration is to make X 2.0 fly like Elon flew Twitter. After the inauguration of X by Elon Musk, BSC has come back with the 2.0. And then here is their roadmap, it says here. So phase 1 is going to be building the Telegram, and then building the project's Twitter, aka, well, I don't know why they said Twitter. They should say building the project's X. Creation of the smart contract, auditing of the smart contract, and then phase 2, Pink Sale subscription pool. So we just finished that, and then now it's going to be initial pre-launch marketing, conclude the pre-sale, launch on Pancakeswap, so that's where you'll be able to get this token. Now, if you missed the pre-sale, You can get this token now by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BSC for the X2.0 token using the contract address that you can find on X2.token.site. You'll probably have to set slippage around 3% because it says taxes on buys and sells are 3%. And then I believe it said liquidity is locked. I'll have to check what the lock was in a second on Pink Sale. And then it says listing on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap will follow Pancakeswap. Massive Twitter influencers, then Telegram call channels, so advertising. BSC trending, AveDex hot #1 trending, community competitions, brainstorming long-term utilities. And then, then it goes over 18 decimal places, taxes 3 and 3. It does not tell you what the taxes are for, which is always a bummer when it does that. Now, they are partners with DexView, so there's most likely going to be a chart available on there soon that you'll be able to click on and see. They also have a Telegram listed on their page here. Now, their Telegram's doing not too bad. Has 1,678 members on it so far, and 87 of them are online. And they also have a Twitter available on here that you can click on as well. A little bit over 1,400 followers, it looks like, on their Twitter. So not too bad. They're doing pretty well on their socials. They did amazing on their pre-sale there. Everything's fine. Let's see how long. So their liquidity is only locked for 4 months. So 4 months is not the longest amount of time to lock liquidity. So hopefully they extend that, and you can find out when they are launching, on Pancakeswap, when they're launching on when they're listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, their new updates basically by following their socials, their Telegram or their Twitter. And then you can, maybe ask, like, is the liquidity lock going to be extended? Because 4 months is only, it's pretty short, 120 days, and then all the tokens are unlocked. You don't want that. They don't have a full audit on here, but they do have that quick audit. So hopefully they do come out with a full audit. Like, I don't see a KYC, Docs badge, Seifu badge, any sort of that stuff. So definitely look into the security of this token. It doesn't seem like there is a lot of utility to it either, very much just a meme token trying to play off the X trend and the 2.0 trend. So I don't know. I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.